welcome everyone. This is Mutusi. Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is about how to add a table to your Wikipedia article. So as you can see, previously we've been adding an info box to the Wikipedia article. We're going to be using this article for most of our tutorials since we started it together doing some tutorials. So I want you guys to be able to see how you can start translating a page from scratch to the end. Waiting as a complete in a fully fledged. So we continue. I'm gonna just split my screen and then I can type en Wikipedia, Wikipedia. The home, yeah, this one is fine. So I can open homepage Wikipedia in English. Alright, while it's still open, let me check if I'm logged in. Of course, I'm logged in. So I'm just gonna go search this page Bangwaketse so that it opens and I can start editing. Bangwaketse, there is Bangwaketse. Just gonna search my page. It appears. Go open my tools and enable the editing tool. Alright, there we are. So we're down here. Okay, no, just start loading. We down here ko re se re tlileng go se dira jaanong ke go tla go tsenya diphetogo go fetola go tlhabolola page ya rona re tsenya content e ntsi e tlhokagalang. So what we are going to do is add the villages yaka di ntse ka ko the English version of Wikipedia for our article. So firstly, re enable the platform ya rona gore e re tlele re ka fetola. So just gonna go click ha go fetola because remember in the previous video tutorials there is below how you can edit this village, the new paragraph actually. So just gonna go fetola as it keeps on loading. All right. So again, re batla go tsenya table within Wikipedia. What are again, it's in a table within this Wikipedia article. So we're just gonna go to this section, how insert. You go insert, the word table. So as you can see, table ya rona has a table in mo bokalo. Even though I'm just gonna show how to add a table, the content mo table, the table or we manipulate. And if you want to add more rows or more lines into the table, want to expand the table, if you want to measure the rows and stuff like that, how you do it and everything. This is just the same as Microsoft Excel. So here we go. Just gonna start typing population 2022 in the first section of the table. Just gonna go with population 2022. 2022. Because I translate, I have to write that in Setswana. Setswana. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm just gonna say palo ya batho. Is it palo batho? Because population census kone palo ya palo batho. So population palo ya batho ka 2022. I can put it in this way. So someone who have a better idea of what population can mean in Setswana can always come back and edit this article. So I'm just gonna say palo batho, palo ya batho, 2022. I get, yeah. palo ya batho, palo ya batho 2022. Total ke ka re tshoboko a ka tlo re ke re summary ke tla ba ke reng palo gotlhe, let me see palo gotlhe, and then borre, nka re borre kana kgotsa ke re basimane is males representing both men and women, so ke tla re borre hela for in case, and bomme. Okay, fine. Then I go type my what is it there? It's a region. I go type the numbers. Go say 140,296. 296. Go on to the next one. Oh, actually, I type it also. Just go gonna cut this and paste it in the right section. So I can't see the paste option there. I'm just gonna paste this using the keyboard. So board reba 67,909. That's 67,909. Just like that. Yeah, go go 72,387. 72,387. Something like that. Yeah, talaku village kanya. Village kanye yana da total ya buka it's 48,028. 48,028. Then moving on to the next section is 22,273. 273. And then the other one, I'm gonna say was number 25,755. 25,755. Then the next one, which is Rana Penale 1,718. 1,718. For Rebellion 1,489. So 1,489. And then totally, Yarana Karanale 327. It's 3207. All right. Yeah, so this is village Ranaka. Village Ranaka. So we come re go rogile part-eng tota e le re bontsi ba tshwanetse ba e bone. So ke eng re batla go add-a go oketsa table ya rona gore e oketsege, either re okeletsa ko tlase kgotsa re okeletsa ko thoko akere. So re na le section ke tsa gate insert a row above, insert a row below. So ke re batla go tsenya row ko tlase ga ga Ranaka. Just click, row ya tsena. So ha o batla go tswela o oketsa di-row tsa gago, wa ko o ntse o click-a, there is this arrow ko ra setse o setse o le ha o batla go tsenya row engwe ko tlase, you just click a bo o tsenya row ko o batlang go e tsenya teng. Gantsi re tsenya ko tlase cause o okeletse ko tlase cause table ya go e golela ko tlase. O tsenya row ko tlase, you do the same thing o batla go oketsa di-row, I mean di-column. You click, you do the same thing, o click-a yone row arrownyane ko godimo it's kind of a drop down. O bo re insert before or insert after. So ke eng? Table ya rona e oketsegela to our right side. So ke eng? Re tsenya after. But there can be some situations where o batla go e tsenya before, between the last row and the previous row. So just go insert after. Table ya go ya tsena. If o batla hore o tsenye table before this last one, wa e tsenya e be e tsena before. Hona re tlabe di tsenang. So I'm just gonna do Control Z and leave this one as it is. So actually, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This is how you add um, a table into a Wikipedia article. I believe for a referencing, as you can see, this information within this table, it has been referenced. It's into now population 2022. That and it shows our when you click this reference, it takes us back to the it's reference number 7, Statistics Botswana, Population and Housing Census. So I believe we all already know how to add a reference. This could be an easy way whenever you want to add a reference. Go tshwana is it within a table, or is it within a info box, or go tshwana we add within the body or a paragraph of an article. So thank you so much, guys. See you on the next video of how to add a picture into a Wikipedia article. Thank you, guys.